In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust brightness in GIMP. If your photo looks a little too dark or a bit washed out, a quick brightness tweak can make a world of difference. We're going to keep this simple, clear, and focused so you can confidently brighten or darken any image without overdoing it. First, have your image open in GIMP. With the photo on screen and ready to work on, head to the top menu and choose Colors, then Brightness Contrast. This brings up a small brightness contrast box. It's a straightforward tool meant for fast overall adjustments to the lightness of your image, and it's perfect for quick fixes. You'll see a brightness slider inside that box. We're focusing on that control. As you move the brightness slider, watch the image itself, because GIMP updates the preview in real time. Slide it to the right to brighten the entire image. Go slowly, and use gentle nudges rather than big leaps. The goal is to lift the overall lightness while keeping details in the bright areas. If you push too far to the right, highlights can start to look blown out or lose texture, especially in skies, skin tones, or reflective surfaces. Ease back a little if you notice those areas turning flat or overly white. Slide the brightness control to the left to darken the image. This is useful when your photo looks hazy or washed out. Again, make small adjustments and keep an eye on the darker regions. If you go too far left, shadows can crush together, turning subtle detail into one solid block of black. You want the dark areas to look rich, not muddy or featureless. Aim for a result that feels natural and balanced, where both bright and dark parts still show texture. Take your time to find that sweet spot. Move the slider, pause, and let your eyes adjust for a moment before deciding. You're looking for a comfortable middle ground where the subject stands out, highlights aren't glaring, and shadows feel deep but still informative. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click OK. That applies the change to your open image. If you ever feel you want to touch more or less brightness later, you can return to Colors, open Brightness Contrast again, and repeat the same simple adjustment. And that's it. With just a quick trip to Colors and a careful move of the brightness slider, you can bring life back to a dim photo or tame an image that's a bit too bright, all within seconds.